Hello YouTubers, today's video is our bed upgrade with the best price memory foam mattress. This is my previous attempt for good, comfortable sleep in my camper. On the bottom is the short queen mattress. On top of that is a 4-inch memory foam mattress pad, and then that white pad that's on top on the very end, just an extender so I would have, my feet wouldn't be sticking off the end of the bed. It basically just extends the length of the mattress from a short queen to a full queen. All of which, or I should say all of which, through all the attempts, they were fair but unsuccessful. What I finally had to do is to pull all this out. I'm going to be trashing out the mattress cover. I'm going to hang, or mattress pad, I'm going to hang on to that, and I've got some ideas for some projects where I can cut it and use it. And then on that extender, that too will probably end up in the trash, none of which I really have a lot of money into either one of the items. What I ended up doing is purchasing a brand new full or queen size, that's a full queen mattress, and that was from Best Price Mattresses. That's what I have on there right now, and that's what I'm going to be showing you as far as my most recent upgrade. So all of that is going to be replacing everything that I have here in my messy garage. I apologize for any background noise that I currently have right now while doing this video, but on this portion of it, I've got the heater on in the camper because the temperature is only right around 48 degrees here in Michigan. However, I just felt it was important enough to shoot this video so you got a good idea as far as what this upgrade happens to be. What this is after all my issues that I had sleeping on the queen size mattress that we had, as well as trying to attempt to remedy the situation by adding extension, making it from a short queen to a full queen, and then adding a 4-inch mattress topper. None of those things worked. And so what I did after a lot of research is I made a purchase of the Best Price Mattress 10-inch memory foam mattress. Now, I'm not stuttering. Best Price Mattress is the brand name. So once again, it's the Best Price Mattress 10-inch memory foam mattress. And it's got calming green tea infusion. It's pressure relieving, and it's a bed in a box. And this is Certipure, let me say that again, Certipure US certified. So whatever that means. But basically this is a full queen size mattress. And after purchasing this back in early September, we've used this a few times. In fact, we've had 3 separate camping trips, 2 of which were approximately a week long, and this has worked fantastic. I can actually sleep in the bed all night long. Before, I was having problems with the mattress pad slipping around, my feet going off the end, just totally uncomfortable sleeping, and I'd end up out on the couch. This has remedied all those problems. And again, this is a full-size queen mattress. It comes in a box that's 16 inches by 16 inches by 60 inches. It's all rolled up. All you simply have to do is to pull the mattress out of the box, put it inside your camper on top of the mattress, or on top of the bed, after you've, of course, removed the mattress, and then carefully cut the plastic off and then it will basically expand on its own. It says it takes up to 4 hours. This happened to expand within about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And we have never regretted it. It even comes with a nice mattress pad or cover over it. As I stated, this is actually a queen size mattress, full queen, and I had a short queen bed. So what I have done, just to give it a little bit of added support, tentatively or temporarily, I put a small piece of luan underneath it. And that seems to be working pretty good until I actually have time to remove that and put a little bit more stable piece of material underneath it. But until then, that's worked very well. After it was fully expanded, then we put on our regular bedding, including another mattress cover. Just to complete the whole package, I purchased a couple of the My Pillows from Amazon as well. That really tops it off, which gives me a very good night's sleep every night that we sleep in that camper. Of course, links will be located in the comment section of this mattress. I hope you enjoyed this review of the best price 10-inch memory foam mattress. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching.